Welcome back. I am Olivia, Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY, Dollar Tree, and budget-friendly decor crafts. So I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe you don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Summer is right around the corner, so I am starting to really work on my little outdoor patio space. But remember, you guys can take any of these ideas, change up the paint color, change up the ribbon color to match your style of home decor or outdoor decor. Without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. Okay friends, I have no shame in my fake gardening game. We're going to create some easy to care for summer outdoor plants that are not necessarily real. So I grabbed this planter from Walmart, filled it with dirt, then filled it with some pebbles or stones. Then from the Walmart floral section, I grabbed some 99-cent florals, and I grabbed 7 bundles of each color, and I'm using pink and yellow. So I'm using pink on either side and then yellow in the center, and I'm just kind of fanning the florals out. That way they look a little bit more realistic. Now, please don't have any shame in your fake gardening game. Not everybody has the physical ability or the time or even the money to keep up with real plants. So this is a great solution. I see some of my neighbors doing this, and listen, I love real gardening, but I'm going to tell you what, around here where I live in the southern Midwest, our summers get hot, hot, hot. So I like to do a mix of fake gardening and real gardening. That way, by the time at the end of August when I'm giving up and my plants are, my annuals are done for, I still have some pretty plants that have not died on me. I'm going to continue making this arrangement using the pink and yellow flowers, and I'm going to share with you guys another little hack of what I did once I had everything in. So again, this was about 7 bundles of each floral, and you just kind of want to move them around until you feel like they look really full and nice. And I feel like this looks pretty nice, like a spring cottage garden. Here's how it looks. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with some fake moss, and I put it in a big bowl so it didn't get it everywhere, even though we're outside, but just an idea if you're crafting inside. And then I'm going to add hot glue down into kind of the stem of the fake plant. And I really dribbled it down inside of the stem of that fake plant, and then just push the moss down inside of that. I feel like this is a great way to kind of make a little bit more realistic, but hopefully this moss will hold up to our strong winds that I get on my hill. And the last step in our fake gardening game is I'm going to use some Scotch Guard to Scotch Guard these flowers. I don't think I've ever tried this before, but hey, there's a first time for everything. I also know that there's a company that makes a Never Wet, and you can use that on fake florals as well. So I'm just going to give it a nice little spray here, and boom, we have a fabulous fake garden idea on a total budget, and these will never die on you, which is even better. Okay, what do you guys think about this fake gardening? Let me know if this is something you love to do as well. Before we get started on this project, we have to give our favorite creative director, Beachy Bear, my little terrier, a drink of water. He says hi to everyone. Okay, for this DIY project, I'm going to use some of this ballet slipper pink 2X Rust-Oleum spray paint, and we are going to do some more fake gardening. Yes, you guys, I have no shame in my fake gardening game. For this project, I'm using these little spheres that I had found at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. You guys can get these at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I initially painted the base white, and now I'm going to go back over them with some pink spray paint. If you guys have been watching me for a while, I actually painted these red during the winter months, And the reason I'm painting them and not leaving them green is because I've had them for quite some time, so they've gotten really faded. But I just gave each little sphere a whole bottle of spray paint. So that really coated the entire thing. And I've had so many of you guys ask me questions about where I got my pink plants. I'm really hoping these are going to last for quite some time. Pink is my favorite color, as you guys can tell, and I am doing my back patio in like kind of a girly, Barbie dream house idea, just where it's really fun and sweet. And now for this part of the project, I'm going to use some Dollar Tree planters, and I decided to go in with this Sunshine Yellow spray paint. I don't generally use yellow, so I'm still on the fence about it. You guys are going to have to let me know. And as you can see, the wind is really kicking up. I need to grab a box and put these in there, but I was getting my spray paint game on, and so anyway, I just went ahead and kept at it. Okay, so once I have my little pink plants popped down into my bright yellow planters, and again, I'm kind of going for that really cute and fun, just girly cottage, or, just that fun little Barbie dream house patio. I thought the yellow looked kind of cute. I wanted it to be kind of fun and whimsical. I put it on top of those little pink stands, and I thought it looked really cute. This is the backdoor patio space. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the yellow planter? And what do you think about my cute little faux gardening? For this next DIY, we're going to set a little Dollar Tree tablescape. So I'm starting out with this cute little check tablecloth that I found at the thrift store. I have it doubled up, and I'm just going to pull it over my little pink garden set that I painted last season. We have to add in some greenery to the center, and then these little plates at Walmart were 50 cents, the pink ones, and then the pink stripe ones were in the Walmart like dollar plus section or whatever, so they were really inexpensive. I think a 2-pack was $3. I'm just going to set them on top of the little chargers and then add in the little yellow plates. Again, I want this to kind of feel almost playhouse like it's a Barbie dream house. So there we have that. And then these little pink margarita glasses are at Dollar Tree, as well as these super adorable summer flamingo napkins. I decided it would be really cute to spread these out like it was a placemat. That would be a really fun idea to do. And then just add my plates on top of that. You could really change things up and make different tablescapes with this idea, which I love making tablescapes. Even if we don't really use them to eat on, I just love creating them. I don't know. I guess it's kind of like when you're a little playing house. So anyway, I found this little planter at the thrift store, and I'm putting some of the little Dollar Tree luau stuff inside of it, and then just making kind of like a stash for all of my outdoor plates, and that way we can grab them, set them outside, and if I host a little barbecue, or last year I hosted my sister's bridal shower, just any little event, even if just eating dinner outside, we're going to have a super cute little space. And to fill up the back, I'm adding in some tissue paper to the back of this. This is kind of an idea too. If you were creating like a little gift basket, this would be a fun way. It's a way that I fill things in. So I'm just going to pop it onto the table, super easy peasy, and here is how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this fun little inexpensive dollar store summer place setting. For this next DIY, I'm going to share with you guys an easy way to jazz up one of those big plastic watering cans and make it cute for decoration. I'm going to use some of this Rust-Oleum 2X pink ballet slipper spray paint. This is my favorite spray paint for creating that perfect kind of powder pink look. And I will tell you, I got a little aggressive with my spray paint, and it also, you can tell there's a lot of overspray because it kind of started giving me a little bit of trouble, and also the wind was kicking up. Oh, I needed to have popped it into a box. But anyway, I went ahead and went on about my spray painting business and really went to town on this. You guys, I think this turned out so adorable. It's probably one of my favorite projects so far in this video, although doing outdoor gardening goodies is what I love to do. Now, let me know what you guys want to see in some of our upcoming videos. Do you want me to do a big 4th of July decor idea? I do love decorating for the 4th of July. It's still April, so I'm not totally ready to go all out 4th of July, but let me know if you guys want to see that or just some more fun patio garden ideas. How are you guys decorating your house for summer? I am going to be hosting a Hobby Lobby giveaway for gift cards, and this time I'm going to be doing 4 $25 Hobby Lobby gift cards, so that'll give more viewers chances to win. All you guys have to do is comment down below and make sure you're following me. Okay, so for this next DIY, it's not really a DIY. This is more of a back patio cleaning motivation. So I am going to be tidying up my back patio, and my dad for Christmas got me this electrical little blower tool, and it is awesome. The next thing I'm going to do once I kind of cleared everything off is I'm going to take some hot soapy water. Sorry for the camera angles. It was a little bit tricky to film in this little small back space. But what I'm doing is I am just with Dawn soap, just completely washing my back patio off. I feel like it just got really yucky. There's a ton of pollen. It's dirty. And so I just want to completely scrub it down with soap, and I used a little bit of Lysol cleaner, and then I went ahead and just blew some of the water off because I didn't want it to pile up too much. And also, you know, with cleaning it off, there I had like a little mud dauber also up in the corner, which I had to work on getting out of the corner of my little back patio door. So what kind of strange little things happen on your back patio? I would love to know. Like, do you guys get weird bugs? Do you get mud daubers? What do you guys get? So the next thing I'm going to do now is just take a dry towel and dry everything off. I washed it off really good, rinsed it off really good, got the mud dauber out, and then I went ahead and used some Lysol on it. Not some Lysol, some window cleaner, and that way I'm going to make my windows all nice and shiny. And again, these are just my back patio windows. One of them doesn't really work, and I really just use it for the door for Benji Bear to go out the back. As you guys can kind of tell, we've moved the patio furniture out into the open space. So a couple of years ago, I redid my patio, and so there was this big, like, I call it the concrete runway, and there wasn't really anything out here. And my daughter and I, when we were laying out, were laying just on the ground. And so I thought, you know what, let's move that patio furniture that's on the interior of my patio to the exterior. And then we'll have like a big fun couch, and we can kind of pretend like we're at a resort or something. So anyway, those are just my silly ideas I get in my head. But I'm going to go ahead and add now these cute little planters. And these, I think, I love these little mats from Hobby Lobby. They're like $9.99. Then here's the little fake gardening we did. Michael's has these awesome pillows. I grabbed these last season
season, so they are kind of getting a little bit deflated. I might go check Michael's to see if they have any new cute outdoor decor or pillows. And then there's that little watering can that I painted, and here is the final product. I hope you guys are loving it and you're totally inspired to jazz up your back patio as well. Happy crafting, and thank you guys so much for being here. And here is our little favorite terrier. He is on the move, Benji Bear. He loves having this patio furniture moved outside of the exterior to where we're out here more. He is totally digging that. So here's this little ball. He's just hanging out, chilling. He's so funny. He loves these little balls. And oh my goodness, I'm so in love with this little guy right here. But yeah, he's kind of a ball hog. He's just wanting to hang out, but he loves all his puppy dog and kitty cat fans out there. So woof woof, there he goes trying to find the little ball. It had rolled on the side of the table. It's so funny. He didn't want to get it because something was in the way. So here he goes. He's back up again. I love terriers because they have so much energy. They're a little bit barky, but definitely worth the bark.
Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting and decorating adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home. I'm a DIY crafty mama, and I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. And for all of my long-term subscribers and followers, people that share my videos, that comment, thank you guys so much. This is a DIY crafting community, and I try to bring all the joy and positivity to you guys. I'm a one-woman show. I love to craft and decorate, so I just share my ideas of what I'm doing in my home. I also feel like I'm a seasonal decor enthusiast, so I feel like every season there's something fun to look forward to, and this is going to be the looking forward to summer season. So you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me out so much. Follow me on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. Share my videos and post, and I want to encourage you guys to be kind online. It is such a huge platform for me to be kind, because this is a positive community, but you don't ever know what somebody is going through. So when you're scrolling through your Facebook, I always make it a goal of like to heart 10 people's posts. You know, we don't know what's going on behind the scenes of somebody's life, what their struggles are, and sometimes that little kind word, that sweet text, that homemade cookies that you bring to your neighbors, all of those things just really can touch people's hearts. So I love y'all to the moon and back. I can't wait till our next video, and until then, be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another, and we'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.
You in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other.